Are you looking for the top 5 best belt sanders for knife making? How much should you actually spend on a belt sander for knife making? Because some are priced low and others are ridiculously expensive, with people returning them left and right. It's a bit of a puzzle, but today we're solving it.
Product number 1, Bliss Thrill Mini Belt Sander. First up is the Bliss Thrill Mini Belt Sander, priced at just $37.99. What stood out to me was its compact design and the fact that it offers adjustable speeds. If you want something simple yet effective for knife making, this is worth a serious look. This mini belt sander is a powerhouse with a strong 775 motor that goes from 4,000 to 9,000 RPM. This means you can easily switch from heavy grounding to fine polishing, making it perfect for all stages of knife making. Plus, it's equipped with 30 sanding belts and 20 sanding disc papers, so you won't be left short on abrasives. With over 200 units sold in the past month, it's clear that people are finding value here. Now, some users mention that it can be a bit noisy. Here's the thing though, if you're working in a dedicated shop, that noise might not bother you much. For serious hobbyists or professionals, the performance outweighs the sound. This is perfect for you if you're a beginner, or someone who needs a compact tool for light to moderate knife making. Skip this one if you're looking for...
Product number 2, Wen Benchtop Sander. Next up is the Wen Benchtop Belt and Disc Sander, priced at $90.55. I was drawn to its 2-in-1 feature, combining a belt and disc sander. If you're looking for versatility in your workshop, this one is worth considering. The 2.3A motor delivers up to 3,160 FPM on the belt and 3,450 RPM on the disc. This level of speed allows for efficient sanding on various materials, including metal for knife making. The sturdy base minimizes wobble, ensuring you have precision while working. With separate dust ports, you'll also keep your workspace cleaner. It's rated for quality, with a 2-year warranty to back it up. Some reviews pointed out that the dust collection could be better, which can be frustrating during longer projects. But honestly, if you're using this in a shop, you probably have some dust management in place already. This is a great buy if you want a reliable, multifunctional sander for projects beyond just knife making. Skip this if you need something ultra portable, or if you're...
Product number 3, Jinlita Belt Grinder Sander. Coming in at $219.99 is the Jinlita Belt Grinder Sander. The first thing I noticed was its powerful 550-watt motor. If you want robust performance in knife making, this is worth a serious look. This machine features variable speed control, which lets you switch between high-speed rough grinding and low-speed fine polishing. That's crucial for knife makers who need precision at every stage. With 3 grinding molds and sanding belts included, it's perfect for both rough and fine work. Plus, being able to switch from horizontal to vertical use gives you flexibility in how you approach your projects. On the downside, it's a bit heavier than other options, making it less portable, but if you have a dedicated workspace, that shouldn't be a deal breaker. This is ideal for serious hobbyists or professionals who need a machine that can handle various materials and techniques. Skip it if you need something lightweight or only do occasional.
Product number 4, Bliss Thrill Mini Sander, second version. Next is another Bliss Thrill Mini Belt Sander, but this one is priced at $49.99. This caught my eye because it offers similar features to the first one, but at a slightly higher price. If you want versatility without breaking the bank, consider this option. Just like the first, this sander has adjustable speeds from 4,000 to 9,000 RPM and comes with a solid selection of 30 sanding belts and 20 sanding disc papers. Its stainless steel design is compact, making it perfect for tight spaces. Plus, its low vibration and noise levels are a bonus for those long sessions. However, some users have mentioned that it can struggle with thicker materials. Still, for most knife-making tasks, it's more than capable. This is a great choice if you're looking for a budget-friendly yet effective sander for light to medium knife-making projects.
Product number 5, another Bliss Thrill Mini Sander. Finally, we have yet another Bliss Thrill Mini Belt Sander, priced again at $37.99. I'm bringing this one up because it's the most affordable option on the list. If you're just starting out, this is worth a serious look. This model shares a lot of features with the earlier ones. It has adjustable speeds and comes with a variety of sanding belts. The compact size makes it easy to store and use in small workshops. It also includes a decent assortment of abrasives, ensuring you're equipped for multiple projects. Some have mentioned concerns about the build quality feeling a bit flimsy. However, for entry-level users, this shouldn't be a deal breaker, especially at this price point. This is perfect for you if you're a beginner in knife. So, we've covered 5 great options for belt sanders in knife making. We've got the budget-friendly Bliss Thrill models, the robust Jinlita for serious projects, and the versatile Wen sander. Each has its strengths and a few trade-offs, but there's something here for every type of knife maker.